no! Warning! Warning! We are caught in a giant cosmic whirlpool. It's a black hole, and its gravity is pulling us right past the point of no return. Hold on tight, space crew. Meet Leo. He is the bravest, smartest young astronaut in the entire galaxy. Today, he is flying his favorite spaceship, the Star Skipper, through the beautiful, twinkling Milky Way. It is a peaceful day for a space patrol, or so he thinks. The Star Skipper's engine hums happily as Leo checks his space maps. He loves looking at the colorful nebulas and giant planets out the window. Everything is running perfectly smoothly. Next up, the Andromeda Galaxy, Leo says with a big, excited smile. But suddenly, the ship's radar starts to beep. Beep, beep. Something very strange is happening right in front of them. The beautiful starlight seems to be bending and twisting into a giant dark circle. What could that mysterious shadow be? Uh-oh, says Leo. That's not a planet. That is a black hole. A black hole is a spot in space where gravity pulls so hard that even light cannot escape, and the Star Skipper is heading right toward it. We need to turn around fast. Leo pushes the thrusters to maximum power. The engine glows bright blue, but the ship isn't moving backward. The black hole's gravity is just too incredibly strong. They are being pulled closer and closer to the swirling ring of glowing space dust. Oh no, they are approaching the event horizon. That is the invisible boundary around the black hole. Once anything crosses the event horizon, it can never, ever turn back. Leo tries pushing every button on his shiny control panel, but nothing is working. Whoosh! In a blink of an eye, the Star Skipper slips right past the event horizon. Everything suddenly goes completely dark outside the window. The alarms stop, the engine goes quiet. They are trapped inside the black hole. What is going to happen next? Leo looks out the window, expecting it to be scary, but it's actually amazing. Inside the black hole, space and time act very strange. The light from stars that fell in a long time ago is trapped here, creating a beautiful, swirling rainbow of colors all around the ship. But wait, Leo looks at the clock on his dashboard. The hands on the clock are moving super, super slow. Tick, tock. Because gravity is so strong here, time actually slows down. A minute inside the black hole could be a whole year on Earth. Suddenly, Leo notices something even sillier. His favorite space teddy bear, which was floating in the cabin, starts to stretch. It stretches longer and longer, like a piece of chewing gum. This funny science trick is called spaghettification. Even the Star Skipper itself starts to look a little stretchy. The round windows look like long ovals. Wow, laughs Leo. We look like a giant silver hot dog in space. But he knows they can't stay as space spaghetti forever. They need a plan to escape. Leo puts on his thinking cap. He remembers his astronaut training. To escape a black hole, Leo says, we need to go faster than the speed of light. But my engine isn't that fast. What else can we use? He looks around the colorful vortex. He sees bright, glowing energy rings floating in the black hole. These are gravity boosters. If the Star Skipper can catch one of those rings, it might give the ship a super massive speed boost, enough to blast right out of the event horizon. Leo grabs the steering wheel. All right, Star Skipper, let's go fishing for some gravity rings. He steers the ship carefully. The space inside the black hole is bumpy and wavy, like a rocky ocean. He dodges a flying space rock that fell in years ago. He flies the ship up, down, and all around. It's like the best roller coaster ride ever. Almost there, Leo cheers. He aligns the nose of the Star Skipper directly with the first glowing yellow ring. He has to aim perfectly. Zap! The Star Skipper flies right through the center of the first ring. The spaceship glows with bright yellow energy. The engine roars louder than ever before. "We got one!" Leo shouts. But one isn't enough. They need more power. Leo spots 2 more rings lined up perfectly. He pushes the thruster lever all the way forward. The ship is zooming so fast that the colors outside blur together into white lines. They hit the second ring. Zap! The ship shakes. They are going incredibly fast. The third ring is right ahead. "Hold on to your helmets," Leo yells. They fly through the third ring. Zap! Kapow! The Star Skipper is now glowing as bright as a miniature sun. With the power of 3 gravity rings, the Star Skipper does the impossible. It travels faster than light. The ship bursts right through the blackness of the event horizon. They are pushing against the strongest gravity in the universe. Pop! Like a cork popping out of a bottle, the Star Skipper shoots out of the black hole and tumbles back into normal space. The engine powers down to a soft hum. The bright yellow glow fades away. They made it. Leo catches his breath. He looks down at his space teddy bear. It's not spaghetti anymore. It popped right back into its normal, chunky shape. Leo laughs and gives his brave teddy bear a big, happy squeeze. The spaceship's computer starts beeping happily. All systems are back to normal. Leo checks the map. They are far, far away from the black hole now. They are safe and sound back in their own familiar galaxy. "That was the wildest ride ever," Leo says. "We learned about gravity, time travel, and even spaghettification. But I think I've had enough black holes for one day. Let's go find a nice, quiet planet made of jelly beans instead." The Star Skipper turns around and zooms off toward the bright jelly bean planet. Leo proves that with quick thinking, bravery, and a little bit of science, you can escape any sticky situation, even the strongest gravity in the universe. Thanks for joining Leo on this amazing space adventure. Did you like exploring the black hole? If you want to join us on our next cosmic journey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time, Space Explorers!